So there were a couple of announcements at the developer conference, out of which this slide is getting much attention, where the company showed some notch designs for the upcoming smartphones. However, there is a strong state of confusion among us that Samsung is going to adopt the notch view for their own smartphones. This is not our fault, as there are numerous headlines claiming that Samsung has plans to change the entire design language through these notches. Let me explain. Samsung held the developer conference, but this slide was a part of Samsung Display's strategy. And for those who don't know, Samsung and Samsung Display are two different companies with similar names. So this slide represents the future of Samsung Display, where they will manufacture displays supporting these designs. Samsung Display is a major manufacturer with customers like Apple and Google, and with this new strategy, they will be able to compete with other companies in this segment. We might see the hole-in display tech on the Galaxy S10, but the notches are not going to admire Galaxy smartphones. Also, as we have moved to the S10's part now, I must tell you that according to Ice Universe, the next S series phones may feature colors like silver, blue, green, black and red. The reason behind his thinking is that Samsung One UI slide, where the company showed some smartphones with same interface and hardware color. Additionally, according to a senior Samsung official, the S8 and Note 8 series will also get this beautiful One UI experience. So yeah, Samsung will be going to keep up with all those trolls. And tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.